I'm Scotty. Welcome to Scotties Clock World. Today we'll be cleaning the movement in an ultrasonic cleaner. Right, we warmed the ultrasonic up to 30 degrees. So we're going to put the parts in now. Take the basket out. First we'll put in the back plate. Then the front plate. The strike side wheels, the crutch and the pallet, going train wheels, and we'll put the 4 nuts that hold the plates together into a little container, put it in also. Right, we'll put the basket back into the ultrasonic, make sure everything is immersed, turn it on for 5 minutes, away it goes. The ultrasonic is finished. We'll remove the basket. Put a tray under it so it doesn't drip everywhere. We'll take the parts out and wash them and then clean them up with lighter fluid. Okay, ready for the next step? We'll fill a dish with water, then start to transfer the parts into the dish. Shake them round a bit. That'll get rid of the ultrasonic cleaning fluid on them. Certainly look a bit cleaner. Now the back plate and the front plate. Mix some warm water in another tray for a second rinse before we put them into the shellite. Warm that up a little bit. I've got it. Now transfer the parts across to the second rinse. Front plate. Back plate, motion works, crutch, going train wheels, strike train wheels. We'll let them soak there for a minute. Well, we get the next part ready. Shellite or lighter fluid. Just fill up a tub. Then collect the parts and put them in and immerse them. Plates are a little bit big, we'll have to do them in 2 halves and put them aside to dry. One set of wheels. Another set of wheels. Nuts that hold the plate together. Pallets and crutch. Motion works. We'll take these out of the shellite before we put the front plate in. Last but not least, the front plate. Out on the cloth to dry off before we put the hot air gun on it. Now we'll use our hot air dryer to dry the wheels. On low, we don't want too much heat. Got the crutch on there. Motion works in the snail. Quick run up and down the crutch. Front plate. The lighter fluid evaporates very easily, so it doesn't take long to dry them off. Going train wheels. Second, third and the escape wheel. Back plate. And finally, the 4 nuts that hold the plates together. It's getting a bit hot. Okay, back to the bench.